Okay, sorry, I've got a crappy setup today. I'm gonna try to not talk much because it's so crap. See right here, this shouldn't be a legal move because black has got stack control. We shouldn't be able to place a stone on top of that like that. Okay, so we just forgot to set our stone control for our tester grid, so that should be okay. But we still have a problem when we try to move onto a stack when we're not our first movement selection, but when we're actually doing like a second movement. Or actually, a first movement, not a movement order select. So right now, I'm just gonna assign our stone control manually for our tester stone. Okay, that's looking like it works. But we need to lock it. Let's see. See, because watch this. See, there's a standing stone there. So if the standing stone were right here, this wouldn't be a legal move. But once we lock in, actually, that's actually the right behavior there. That's because we actually just fixed it already. So look, the line I typed first, right here. If I turn this off, I'm going to see if we're able to overwrite that space. Yep. So the line I added here at the beginning of the episode is our fix. So as soon as we, oops, it looks like we fixed it. We just need to have this line anytime we're doing a, after we do a next move off grid, we need to make sure we check whether or not the next move is a capstone or a standing stone. And if it is, we become off grid, meaning we force ourselves to drop all occupants in the grid because the next move would be an illegal move. Let's see if this space would be illegal to move into. So, drop. Now I'm hitting enter, and it doesn't allow us to move because our next movement would be a standing stone. So the only possible move we can do is drop all of our stones, then hit enter, then advance it. So that's looking right now. Looks like we fixed something hard. Now I'm watching a friend's house at the moment, and he's waiting for me. So I was hoping to just get this feature done and not be gone too long. So I'm going to call that a successful little feature implement. Let's say prevented next move from overriding, or what do we want to say? Prevent next move from being illegal moves. Yeah, something like that. And then get pushed to our origin lane. Shoot. Nice. Alright. We did a get push. I'm going to double check to get push worked. I need next move from being a leader moves. We did it. Alright. I'll see you tomorrow. Probably I'll wait until late because I want to get back to my real setup. But I'm glad I got something done today. I will see you guys tomorrow with the better original setup. This is just on my laptop. So sorry for the crap.